What is up, my simple cooks? It's Johnny here, helping you build your confidence in the kitchen, one video at a time. Today, we're making super easy 3-ingredient pancakes. If you're a beginner starting out in the kitchen and you want to learn one breakfast recipe, make it this one. Pancakes are such a classic breakfast recipe, and we're going to keep it nice and simple with 3 main ingredients. Number 1, we've got self-raising flour. Don't use plain flour, use self-raising flour because this will help the pancakes rise and become fluffy. Number 2, we got an egg. And number 3, Jason, can you pass the milk? Number 3, the milk. So if you remember these 3 core ingredients, you'll never go wrong with making pancakes. So let's get cooking. First step is to make a pancake mixture. Sift a cup of flour into the bowl. Sifting the flour will prevent the pancake mixture from clumping together, but you can skip this step if you have a whisk. Crack 1 egg in, and finally, 1 cup of milk. Grab a whisk and mix well until combined. If you don't have a whisk, just use a fork. And there we have it, guys, our super easy 3-ingredient pancake mixture. It's that easy. Now all we gotta do is fry up some pancakes. Get a non-stick fry pan and heat it up on a medium to medium-low heat. Grease the pan with a tablespoon of butter. Using a non-stick fry pan and a bit of butter will make sure your pancakes don't stick. This will make sure you get a nice clean flip on your pancakes. Once the butter melts, heap 2 tablespoons of pancake mixture into the pan for each pancake. Depending on how big your pan is, you should be able to fit 2 to 3 pancakes at a time. Let the pancakes cook for 3 minutes on each side. Don't touch it. I know it's tempting, but there's no need. Once you start seeing bubbles forming on the surface of the pancake, that's when it's time to flip. If you're not confident enough yet to try flipping it with just a spatula, you can use a spoon as well. Hey, there's no shame in using a spoon. If you get a nice clean flip, that's all that matters. Once you flip your pancakes, cook the other side for 3 minutes. What we're looking for is a nice golden brown color on both sides. Then just repeat this process until you run out of pancake batter. Now that we've got our pancakes cooked up, I'm going to show you 2 ways to serve these bad boys. But firstly, let's chop up some fresh fruit to garnish. I've got some gorgeous strawberries, bananas, and blueberries. Now, the first presentation technique is what I call stacking. We're just going to pile 5 pancakes on top of each other to create some height. Garnish with some fresh fruit, and give it a final dusting of icing sugar. The second presentation technique is what I call, well, I don't really have a fancy name for it, but you just lay them horizontally across the dish like a deck of cards. Garnish with some fruit, and dust with some icing sugar. And there we have my 2 ways of presenting these gorgeous, super easy 3-ingredient pancakes. Of course, don't forget the final element, the money shot, a generous drizzle of maple syrup. By the way, if you're new to cooking and you don't really know where to start, I've got a free 5-ingredient cookbook that you can download. I'll leave a link in the description box down below. And that, my friends, is some super easy 3-ingredient pancake. It's incredibly beginner friendly, guys, but you add some icing sugar, some maple syrup, a little bit of fruit on top, and that just makes your cooking look mighty impressive. And always just remember the 3 ingredients: self-raising flour, egg, and milk. That's all you need, and you'll be making some kick-ass pancakes. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, guys. As always, give this video a big thumbs up if you found it helpful. Drop a comment down below letting us know what other recipes you'd like to see on this channel. Also, if you want to see the next episode, subscribe down below. On this channel, we upload videos about simple recipes and cooking techniques that help you get more confident in the kitchen. All right. Do you want this one or?
I want this one.
I want this one. Here, cheers. Oh crap, I got some maple syrup on the table.
Alright, cheers.
Cheers. Wait. Nice. Are you impressed, Jason? You impressed?
Yeah. I'm really impressed by the presentation, first and foremost, the colors, the camera work.
Camera work's this guy though. Yeah, he doesn't just eat on this show, he also takes the videos and does the edits, yeah.
I'm really impressed by the texture of the pancake.
Yeah.
Like, it's like real life.
Look, let's say bye to people.
Oh.
Bye guys, see you next week.
So round, so soft, so tender.
You still talking about pancakes?
No.
No, you'll still be able to get to soccer in time.
Whatever. Star player can arrive whenever I want.